Hi, this is Becca with Sunflower Summer Company, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this rose. You can get the pattern at sunflowersummerco.com, and if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. To first make the flower, you're going to cut out your pattern. It's divided into small, medium, and large individual petals, and a small, medium, and a large petals that are stuck together. You're going to ink the tips of the petals. And you're only doing it on one side of all the petals, so this side doesn't have any ink, but with the small ones you're going to be doing both sides. So take a scrap sheet of paper and flip them over and ink the tops. I already did this one. You're next going to take a pair of scissors, and with all the individual petals you're going to curl both sides of the tip, or the edge of the petal. So this is the base, this is the edge. And you want the petal to be able to curl like that. You're going to do that with all the petals. I'm just using the edge of my scissors. For the petals that have only one side inked, you're going to be curling up around the ink. So the ink's going to be curled into the middle. For the 3 petals, you're going to find the center, fold it, oops, so pinch the tip, and then you're going to take your scissors and curl the edges. You're not going like this, you're going at the edge and curling out. Pinch it at the edge and curl out. Pinch it and curl out. You're then going to take your rolling mat and take your 3 petals, or your sets of 3, and just roll the inside. You don't need a rolling mat, but it just makes things, it just works better if you do have a rolling mat. You're going to take your smallest petals and then you're going to glue the tip, and then stick your petal's base onto the wire. Then you're going to pinch it shut so it curls around itself pretty tightly. Sometimes I find it helps to glue it closed because you want it nice and tight. You're then going to take your other 2 small petals and glue at the base of the first petal. and stick it on. Pinch it around a little bit. And then on the other side, do the same. So that's what you have. We're then going to take your medium petals, and you have 3 of the medium petals, so you're going to space the petals around so it fits 3. And you're putting the inked side in. Apparently I messed that up. I put the ink side out on the last ones. So, put the ink side out on the first 3, ink side in on the next ones. I'm gonna go rotate around. So this petal overlaps this one, and then you're going to take the last one and have this side overlap, and then try to get this side to go under, if that makes any sense. This side over, this side under. Now take your 4 larger petals, and you're going to be doing the same step that you did on over, under. But with this time you're going to have it go the opposite direction. So an easy way to do that is we turn the flower this way to glue the petals on. Now we're going to turn the flower the other way to glue the petals on. So we're going to be rotating the flower the opposite direction. And you want to space the petals out to fit 4 around. So we want the left side on top. I'm going to pull this petal up and fit this one underneath. So we're sliding it underneath and then gluing it in place. Now we're going to pull the petals out a tiny bit so it's not so tight in there. Now we're going to take the small petals, slide it on, glue it to the base, then we're going to fold the petals down and glue at the base of the petal so it stays up. Now we're going to take the medium petals, kind to figure out which one was the medium petal. And repeat. But this time we're going to make sure that the petals fall between, it's alternated. So these are the last petals, and we want the next petals to go between it. And we're going to glue those up. And take your large petals and repeat. These ones you don't have to glue at the base if you don't want to. Now we're going to take our stem? I don't know what this thing is called. That thing. This thing. And we're going to roll the centers, or this thing. I need to get better at my flower. Parts of the flower names. Now we're going to take our scissors and curl the tips out. Be careful not to break it, because I've done that before. And then the side that's curled up, you want that to face the flower. The extra hot glue. And there's your flower. We're next going to make the leaf. You're going to take your leaf, fold it in half, and hopefully not drop it. I'm going to unfold it, take your scissors, and curl out the side. You're going to take some of your scrap paper and cut out a little whatever shape you want. Glue the back, stick the wire on it, and then take your little shape and put it on the back to hide the wire and help it stay on better. Then if you get a little bit extra paper on the out showing, you can just cut it off. And you're going to bend your leaf, take your flower, put it a couple inches below the flower, grab some tape, and tape them together. I'm going to cut some of this off. and you have a rose.